So on page 60 of our notes, we're going to take a short look right now at absolute value inequalities. So again, the x is going to represent some point on a number line. So if we say that the absolute value of x is less than 5, what that means is that because absolute value is distance, that point's distance is less than 5 units from 0. So if I were to draw a number line and I have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If I were to have a number line, then 5 units away exactly is going to be right here and here. I guess I should have open dots here and here. These are open dots. But less than. So this is 5. This right here is 5 units away. And less than is going to be in this section right here. All these numbers are fewer than 5 units from 0. Same thing the other direction. This way, these numbers here are all less than 5 units away from 0. Anything out this direction is too far away. So you can kind of take a look and see how that sets up. And so here's my x's. My x's are somewhere here in the middle, somewhere. So my x's, if I were to write that, -5 is smaller than x. So the x is represented in this middle part here. So the -5 is less than x, and all the x's are also less than +5. So that is how I would write that. Then the second group here, I have the absolute value of x is greater than 5. It means that the point is more than 5 units from 0. So again, if I drew a number line and I have my 0 and going the other direction, I've got 5 units away that way. Exactly 5 units would be right here. That's exactly 5 units away. But where is it more than 5? These are always 1 away, 2 away, 3 away, 4 away, 5 away. The ones that are more than 5 away would be starting here at 5.1. All of these are more than 5 units from 0. And going back to the left, same thing, 1 away, 2 away, 3 away, 4 away, 5 away. The ones that are more than 5 away are over here. So if I were to just sketch what that means, this number line is an example. And then if I had to interpret that as an inequality, here's my x's here. My x's are less than -5. There's a break in the graph, and I always put a 4 there for that. And then on this right side, my x's, here's my x's here, are greater than 5. So my solution algebraically looks like this. So an example here, 3, it says graph each inequality. Absolute value of x is less than 3. So because this is a less than, that means the distance from 0 is less than 3. So the first thing I want to do is just picture that, because that helps you. It's going to help you understand in the long run. Here's 3. Here's 3 away to the left. Here's 3 away to the right. So at 3 and -3, the distance is exactly 3 away. The ones that are less than 3 away would be any of these in here. All of these are less than 3 away. Oops, went too far over, didn't I? Less than 3 away from 0. And then going the other direction, these are less than 3 away there. So smaller than 3 units from 0. So when I interpret that algebraically, I know it starts at -3. Here's my x's here in the middle. That's less than, so -3 is smaller than the x, and the x is also smaller than the 3. Absolute value of x is greater than or equal to 2. The distance from 0 is more than or equal to 2. So again, I'm looking for numbers that are exactly 2 away, so 2 to the right, 2 to the left. So again, you're counting from 0 there. But this time it says that they need to be more than 2 away. So here's exactly 2 away right there. More than 2 away is going to be this way. That's 3 away, 4 away. These numbers are all more than 2 away from 0. Same thing to the left. This is exactly 2 away. The ones that are more than 2, this is 3 away, 4 away, 5 away, are going this direction right there. So I have this look. So when I express it algebraically, I have that these are my x's. The x's are less than -2, or on the right side, here's my x's. The x is greater than +2. And we'll practice some of these. IXL has some things that we can practice with that. So notice down here, now I've kind of tacked this on. It's not on your sheet, so you're going to have to use this. I've added the video check right here. So from the video check, you're going to be doing exam A and B. I guess we should give that a number here, right? I don't know. Let's call this, maybe we'll call this 99A. We'll call this one 99B. So on your video check, you're going to have 99A and 99B. You're going to write those two inequalities algebraically. So it might help to draw the number line so that you can picture it. But I want you to write those algebraically. Again, lean into that December. We'll work it next class. We'll work more on it next class.